Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Butterflies in my stomach, butterflies in my chest. Heartbeat like a bird that's humming. Trust your words cause you know me best. Let's take a walk down a brick road. Click your heels and you'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for you if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying, yeah. Can I dance for you? Would that be cool?
How's everyone going today? So tonight on the menu, we are going to be whipping up some chicken fajitas. But first, the essential. As always, grab your hydration of choice, sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Funny girls are real sweet. I don't say these words often. Loving you has left me weak. But let's take a walk down a brick road. Click your heels and we'll be there. I want you, you want me to. Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for you if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying, yeah, yeah. Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Oh, every heart in the world is looking for a partner. Many fish in the sea, but there's one that just after. I'm not afraid to tell the world who I choose. Baby, it's you. Oh, can I dance for you? Hey, would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool?
Welcome down to the halftime hydration break. Today we do have a lovely drop of water in the Zytho Bruin IPA. Zytho Bruin was inspired by the term zythophile, meaning a person who loves all things beer. This full-flavoured IPA showcases distinct hop aromas with balance, bitterness, and firm malt backbone. Kicks back and savour. Brewed by, rudder. Let's give this one a crack. That's a tasty one. Pretty good. Not bad, nice and fruity. Definitely a fruity IPA. Not very bitter, maybe medium bitterness. Very sessionable, this one. As always, drink your water responsibly and stay hydrated. At the moment, what I have done is I've just prepped some of the accoutrements. I've got the cheese, the cherry tomatoes, the shredders, and the avocado with a bit of lime, salt, and pepper. In the pan, I'm just sweating off the capsicums, the red onion, and just some salt, pepper, olive oil. And over here, I'll be starting the mushrooms in a fair amount of butter. Until then, drink some water. I don't know why, but today seems like it's gonna be a great day. There's something there that makes me feel like things gonna go my way. The birds are twiddling, twiddly, the sun is shining bright. There's a skip my step, pep in my pep, and I don't know why. And there we have it, as easy as that. We've finished up all of the prep for the fajitas. Now the fun task of plating. And time for the taste test. And that is a seriously good fajita. As always, drink your water responsibly and enjoy.